G'day viewers, welcome back. We've got a week to go in our 100 subscriber giveaway draw. So we got our Bathurst beanie and our car battle shots game. All you've got to do to go in the draw is be a subscriber, like the post and leave us a comment about what your favourite car is. Alright, something a bit different today that we've been sort of hiding away till it's done. Everyone's probably got a car in their yard, or one of their kids has got a car that they're gonna do up, you know, and my daughter-in-law's had this car sitting around for 2.5 years. I kept telling her to take a heap of shit to the scrap yard, but it was her first Commodore, so and everyone wants to keep their first car, and I sort of understood it, but I never thought it'd get done. But she finally got it done, so thumbs up to her, and she did a great job. So we'll give you a quick look at what it was, and then we'll have a look at what it became. Alright, let's have a look, get into it. Righto, that's what it was. It was a dead set heap of shit sitting in my yard for 2.5 years. I didn't see any sense in it, but to her credit, she's done a lot of work on it. So we'll have a quick look at some of the work that was done. It's just a VY 6-cylinder Commodore, but she's done a fair bit of work to it. She's had the motor fully pull out and rebuilt, bigger cams, had the heads done, extractors. She's taken all the interior out. She's put a full SS interior in it with bright racing seats. It's got a SS diff in it, had the gearbox all done, beautiful set of wheels, and she's had it all repainted, and it is truly a credit to her. So give your kids the benefit of the doubt, they will get there in the end. So yeah, let's have a look at where we are and the finished product. All right, no worries. It's all the bodywork done and engine done, and we'll go and have a look at the finished product. So well done, Ainsley, you've done a top job. Righto, that's Ainsleys Vy. So drop us a comment and let us know what you think of the work she's done. I'm pretty impressed with it. Really, like, a lot of people say they're going to do things, but they never do. You can see the bright racing seats in it. She's done all the dash. She's done her own upholstery and everything, so she's done an excellent job. The next cab off the rank, not that red one, that's just getting new wheels and stuff put on it. It's already a goer. It's my son's Vy SS. She's a bit of a weapon, takes it drifting. Here's my son's VL. So hopefully they can start on this one now and get another car out of my yard. It should be really nice because I like the way they take up mowing space, but I just don't like them all sitting in my yard. Alright viewers, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget the giveaway. Subscribe, like, drop us a comment, and you could be the winner. We're going to draw it early November. Okay, have a great day people. Thank you.